If you're struggling with homework or trying to understand difficult topics, Poe AI can help you learn faster and explain things in a simple way. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Poe AI for homework step by step without getting overwhelmed. First, open Poe AI and sign in. Once you're inside, choose a chatbot like ChatGPT or Claude-style bots that are good at explaining concepts clearly. Next, type your homework question. Be specific about your subject and what you don't understand. The clearer your question, the better the explanation you'll get. If your homework is difficult, ask the AI to break it into steps. This makes it easier to understand instead of just memorizing answers. You can use Poe AI for math problems, science explanations, essay writing ideas, or even history summaries. It works like a personal study assistant. If something feels too complicated, just ask the AI to simplify it. You can say explain like I'm a beginner or use simple language. You can keep asking follow-up questions until you fully understand the topic. This helps you learn instead of just copying answers. You can also ask Poe AI to create practice questions, quizzes, or summaries to help you revise before exams. Just remember, use it as a learning tool, not a shortcut. The goal is to understand your homework better, not skip the learning process. And that's how to use Poe AI for homework. Yeah, when you use it the right way, it becomes a powerful study assistant that helps you actually understand your subjects. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your studies.